Maintaining clean gutters is an essential task for every homeowner, but it can be a daunting and dangerous chore, especially if you don't have the right tools. A leaf blower can make cleaning your gutters a lot easier and safer, but not all leaf blowers are created equal. To help you find the best leaf blower for gutters, we've researched and tested various models on the market, taking into consideration factors such as power, weight, ergonomics, noise level, and price. In this article, we'll present our top picks for the best leaf blowers for gutters and provide you with all the information you need to make an informed decision. 4. Greenworks Pro 80 volts. The Greenworks Pro 80 volts is a cordless electric mower that has caught up with gas mowers in terms of performance. It runs silently, is lighter compared to gas mowers, starts up easily with the push of a button, has quick charging times, good run times, is easy to switch between different functions, and mulches great. Consumers also like the fact that it requires limited maintenance. The mower is suitable for larger lawns and can be used for mulching, bagging, or side discharge. However, it may not be as light as low-end corded electric models, and its 2Ah batteries may drain quickly in tough conditions. 3. Works WA4092. The TIS Universal Gutter Cleaning Kit is a tool designed to help you clean your gutters without the need for a ladder. It attaches to your existing leaf blower, allowing you to safely clean your gutters from the ground. With 11 feet of reach, the 8 feet of tubes combined with an average person's arm length, the angle from which you work, and the length of the blower give you an estimated reach of 11 feet. This gutter cleaning kit is also incredibly easy to assemble, taking less than 5 minutes to attach to your blower, and comes apart easily for storage when not in use. Its adjustable adapter fits every major brand of blower on the market, including Black & Decker, Husqvarna, Poulan, Craftsman, Ryobi, Toro, Murray, Works, and more. The main tube of the kit is made up of 3 separate pieces, making it adjustable in length to suit your needs. In the box, you will find the gutter tube nozzle, 3 gutter tube extensions, 1 gutter tube adapter, and a universal adapter to fit other brands. 2. Works 40 volts turbine. The Works Nitro 40 volts cordless leaf blower uses 2 batteries to reach mid-range voltage and has a speed dial with 3 settings and a turbo button. It has a blowing force of 9.5 newtons in high and 12.5 newtons using the turbo button, with a top blowing force of 14 newtons. The nozzle design prioritizes either CFM or airspeed depending on its position, and it weighs just 6.3 pounds with 2 batteries. It has a runtime of up to 17 minutes and 38 seconds on high and is compatible with all Works 20 volts power share batteries. The bare tool costs $139.99, while the kit with 2 4.0Ah batteries and a charger costs $249.99. Although it may not have the blowing force of more powerful cordless models, it is well suited for lawns up to a half acre and is ideal for those who want a lightweight option with the performance of a handheld gas blower. 1. Ego Power Plus LB6504. The Ego 650 CFM blower is a powerful battery-powered blower that competes with gas-powered models in terms of power output. The blower has a maximum power output of 20.8 N in turbo mode when using a 7.5Ah battery, which is impressive. However, the high power output results in a noise level of 88 decibels at ear level. The blower has a runtime of up to 15 minutes in turbo mode with the 5.0Ah battery, but this can be extended by using the power settings appropriately. The blower features a variable speed trigger, a turbo button, and a cruise control dial for easy control. The blower weighs 4.85 pounds without the nozzle and 11.28 pounds with the 7.5Ah battery. The blower is available as a bare tool for $219 or as a kit with a 5.0Ah battery and charger for $299. Based on our research and analysis, we believe that the best leaf blower for gutters is the Toro 51621 Ultra Plus Leaf Blower Vacuum. It's a versatile and powerful tool that can efficiently clear debris from gutters, as well as handle other yard cleaning tasks. The Toro Ultra Plus features a powerful 12-amp motor, a variable speed control, and a metal impeller that can shred leaves and other debris into fine mulch. It comes with a variety of attachments, including a concentrator nozzle and a specialized gutter cleaning kit that makes it easy to reach and clear gutters.